Hey fashion lovers, welcome to the Fashion Try-On. If you want to support our channel, please be sure to like and subscribe. And if you like any of the items you see, be sure to check the description for links and discounts.
Today we are unboxing something that's really exciting. So this is the Clé Holiday Lipstick. And I am just so drawn to this packaging as well as the shade. I was really surprised by it, actually how it looked, you know, in the tube versus actually swatch. So I'm really excited to show you all of those details. Now this collection is called Collection La Vie Lumière. And if you take a look at the packaging, you have like this little Pegasus on there, which is so cute, as well as like little macaroons lining the street. And it's just this pastel loveliness. So let's go ahead and open it up. This color number is 526. And let's see, it's a little challenging to get into. Is that a little pull tab? That might have been a pull tab. Yep, there we go. Okay, so there is a hack. Now, I don't know about you, but I just think the holiday packaging across all brands is just so lovely. So this is 0.14 ounces or 4 grams. Let's see the details. It has a 24-month shelf life, so you really shouldn't use this after 2 years if you follow those guidelines. I have heard quite a bit that those guidelines are kind of more important if it is a clean beauty item, but I will let you decide for yourself. Now, let's go ahead and open it up. So while the outside of the packaging is a little bit more blue and pastel, you have like this lovely purple inside. And then we get the first peep of our Clé de Peau, and this is the case. Now, I don't think that this casing is reusable, or rather that the lipstick is refillable, which is such a bummer because I really do love it. You have the raised embossed Clé de Peau on the top, and then the information on the bottom. 526, 24 months of shelf life. Here is the back. So it is the same design on the front and the back. Of course, on the side it is gold and it is kind of reflective, which is super nice. And then of course you have the embossing on the side here. And this says Clé de Peau Beauté. I don't know if you can really see that well. All right, let's go ahead and open it up. So on the inside, you have the Pegasus again, and he's kind of chasing the macaroons and flowers. I just think it's so cute, so darling. And then here is the shade. Now, something that I thought was really interesting about the way that this lipstick is contoured already is that it kind of looks like it's already, you know, been put on your lips. But I mean, of course it is fresh, but I really just love that detail. And then of course you have the Clé de Peau embossing right there on the front, which just kind of ensures you that it is new. Now let's go ahead and swatch this. Wow. It is kind of like a berry, but like a shimmery berry. And it's a little bit lighter, a little bit more iridescent than I thought it would be in the bullet. See how it's a little bit, you know, my shirt is actually maroon today. And it's a little, I thought it was gonna be a little bit closer to that, but it's actually more of like a berry. So I'm overall really pleased with this. I think I'm gonna get so much use out of this, especially for the holiday season. And honestly, I'm definitely going to keep this, and I'm just gonna hope so hard that they do make this refillable or something, you know, that there's some way that you can refill these in the future. There we go. Thanks for watching and be sure to subscribe.